Hello there, my name is Jimmy. In this video, I'm going to share with you why I think Bitcoins will remain bearish for a while. Now, I'm not a Bitcoin investor, but I've been following the Bitcoin trend together with other indexes, market indexes, since a few months ago. And the reason why I'm doing that is because a lot of companies, private sectors, or even governments are now owning Bitcoins as part of their asset. Now, for private companies who owns Bitcoins, basically these will affect their balance sheets. And because Bitcoins itself are very volatile, and that will actually affect the company performance. And therefore, I feel that knowing the directions of the Bitcoins becomes an important thing, when it comes to evaluating, a company assets or their share price. What is more interesting is an article that I read from Business Time yesterday. It's about a group of young crypto investors, and they have made a lot of money through trading cryptos or speculating cryptos last year. And with all the huge amount of money that they have made, they are now looking at luxurious condominiums, converting their virtual coins to a real asset. And these are really young millionaires, and they are very, very successful and in their areas. I posted that article in my Facebook, and attracted a lot of comments. And not surprising, a lot of comments, they are probably more of anti speculations, anti cryptocurrencies, anti Bitcoins, and that sort of things. And majority of them actually think that these are, these people, they have the luck to make money from the crypto market, and therefore gain such a huge, wealth. Well, personally, I am not against speculations. I am pretty neutral on this kind of things. Mainly is that, if someone is able to make money using certain tools within a very short period of time, you can call him a gambler, a speculator, or an investor. He's still the one who has the money in his pocket, right? So, and if this person, especially the youngsters one, they are converting all these, the money that he had made from the market, and start buying up real assets, like properties. And I think they are doing very, very well on that part of it. For the last few weeks, crypto has been trading in between $30,000 to $40,000. It is a big decline from a peak of about 60,000 range. Now, if you were to look at technical analysis and look at the chart itself, Bitcoin is actually pretty bearish, and it could go down to the level of about 28,000 or even below. But of course, the strongest support at this point of time is between 28 to $30,000 range, and looks like it for the last few weeks. It's going to be range bound between that level, between 30 to 35,000, that sort of range. Now, would it go down further? Really, I will not be able to predict in such a short term. But then, coming from a long-term perspective, I believe Bitcoins will continue to go beyond 40,000 or even beyond 60,000. There are two reasons why, in my opinion, that Bitcoins will remain bearish during this period of time. Number one is due to our celebrities, Elon Musk, and he has not been very helpful, by tweeting quite a bit of nonsense, on his Twitter, and that actually caused quite a bit of confusions in the market in terms of the directions of the Bitcoins itself. Number two is probably more impactful, is how China not wanting cryptocurrency in China itself. So first of all, they do not allow Bitcoin minings in China anymore. And second thing is that right now they have stopped all the internet search engine on keywords like Binance, Huobi, or any of those cryptocurrencies. So in other words, that if you are living in China and you want to trade any of these coins or to find out information about all these coins, those informations are no longer available. So that will means that a big chunk of the liquidity has been out of the market, and therefore the price may not be able to support with a thinner trading volume for that matters. Okay, so this is my very short opinions on Bitcoin trends. Now, if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channels. And I look forward to see you next time. Thank you.